Yeah, good day guys. This is how you can sell your Hamster Kombat Token despite all the IP they're giving us dust. So in a nutshell, this is how you can sell it. Once you're on your ByBit account like this, as you can see, I'm on the home page. You see, go to your assets. Under your unified trading, you'll see your token there. But there's one thing I want you to know here. There's a situation whereby if you fund your account, you can fund the account and your money will be under funding. We have funding account and trading account here at this network. We have funding account and we have trading account. Hopefully the network gets back. So now if your money is on funding account, you have to transfer it to trading account. Actually, the token is already on trading account. The network is little bit somehow. So let's wait for it. So once you're okay, it's back already. If the money is already on trading account, just like if you have your money on on funding account, just click on it and transfer it to let's say like this. You see, it is transfer. So you have your money, you have it. If you have money on funding account, you transfer it to trading account. You select the coin you want to transfer. Well, we actually have the coin on unified trading account. So now let's go and trade the coin. This thing they go down. I intentionally kept this remaining token here, so I don't normally sell out all my token, so at least I reserve small. So make sure you go to spot. Once you're on spot, actually if you are doing it for the first time, you will likely see BTC slash USDT here. This place you will actually see BTC slash USDT. Make sure you are on trade, not chat. Make sure you are on trade like this. So you now go and select. This process is the same process if you are selling any coin. Let's say I want to sell dog coin now, dogs. So I'll search for dogs. The network is little bit somehow. See, these dogs USDT. So this is the same thing if I'm selling any coin, but now I'm selling Hamster Kombat. I'll search for Hamster Kombat. Hamster AMS. A short form. You see, Hamster Kombat. So this is it. Make sure you click on spots. So from spots, you can now sell our Hamster Kombat. So if you want to buy, it will be green. If you want to sell, it will be red. So now this is the quantity I want to sell. This is the total quantity I have. You can see it here. So if I want to sell, I can input the amount of token I want to sell here. Let's say I want to sell 200, so which is equivalent to 1.7 USDT. Or I can use this toggle to adjust any amount I want to sell. Can you see it? So if I should click on this now, you see, so that is total amount that I have, as you can see. So once I'm done with it, I'll click on sell, but I'm not selling. So I'll click on sell. It will tell me order confirm and successfully. So I'll be having the money on my USDT. You understand? So that is how to sell any token before you now withdraw it to your account. You understand? So that is that. If you are watching my video for the first time, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell icon. I will still be posting some things very important for you guys. So see you in the next video.